What's up, guys? It's been a while when it comes to Jetta content, and I'm sitting in my Jetta right now. This is my Mark IV VR6, 03 VR6, 6-speed. For those of you who are new to the channel, thank you for watching, first of all. If you haven't, consider subscribing, hit that little bell so you get notified when I put new videos up. This video is just a little update on the Jetta, because for those of you that don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should. Put the thing right here for you guys to join, to look me up, follow me. Whoever doesn't follow me on Instagram doesn't know, but I've done quite a bit to this car in the last couple months, I want to say, and it's come through some change. It's been through some change. The last time I believe you guys saw it was when I just put coilovers on it, and I put those 19s, OEM style wheels, and then after that I kind of enjoyed it as it was for a while, and then I just got bored. And one day I was sitting in the garage and I was looking at my MR2 wheels and those XXRs that I have. And I was like, hey, they have a dual bolt pattern, 5 on 114 and 5 on 100. So I was like, let me throw them on the Jetta, see how they fit. I put them on, man, I loved it. I'll throw a picture in here right now to show you guys what it looked like first when I tested the wheels. I drove it like that for a day to work them back. Oh, it definitely rubbed. He definitely rubbed. But a few months before that, I bought some random fender flares off eBay. They're like 30 bucks for two, so 60 bucks for the set. And I was like, hey, let me throw those on top and see what those look like with the wheels on. So then I threw those, and I loved the look. I know a lot of people are against fender flares on Jettas, but man, I was like, you know what? I see it, I can envision it. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna send it. I threw it on. I cut the quarters in the fenders, put the flares on, did a lot of adjustments. Obviously, as you guys will see, they still need to be adjusted quite a bit to make it fit. But for $60 flares, and I'm happy. I'm very happy because the car is transformed tremendously, and honestly, I haven't seen another one like it. So it is nice to be different, and I'm not done with this car yet. Not even close. Not even halfway yet. The exterior is going to get a lot of new stuff still. I still got to do. You guys will see. We'll do a little walk around, and then I'm going to do some. I also did a muffler delete, which sounds amazing. And I put dual 3-inch tips on there. I love it. It fills the hole in perfectly. It sounds really nice. I'm actually impressed. Haven't done anything interior wise yet, so I've been mainly focusing on. I did some mechanical stuff too. I did a tune-up on it, like oil change, filters, and spark plugs and stuff like that. I also did the water pump because that was leaking. Other than that, I've just been dailying the thing for a while now. No other issues. My stereo still doesn't work. The radio, something's wrong with the buttons. It's like I'm sure somebody spilled something on it because they're all sticky, and it does. Anyways, that'll be next. But I want to make sure that it runs and drives good, and doesn't rub, doesn't make any weird noises or anything like that. Obviously, why touch the interior and stuff like that if the car doesn't even run or drive good? But anyways, so yeah, so that's what this video is about. Just a little update on the Jetta, and there's lots more to come. And I will, unfortunately, I am sorry I didn't have videos for any of the stuff that I've done. That's just kind of, I did everything on a whim. I was kind of just bored and just needed to do something to get my mind off my other cars and everything I have going on. So I did this, and this is a little update showing you guys, how it looks now. And then, yeah, I really hope you guys like it. All right, let's do the walk around. All right, so as you guys can see, she's way different than she looked. Say about 4 months ago? No, even less. Way different. So now I have these. Let me go on the other side, get more light. These fender flares, eBay fender flares right here. Front and back. Same flare. They need to be painted, but that'll happen when the car gets painted. I have my 18 by 10 XXR 557s all around. The fit is pretty well. tires are definitely meatier on the back, just because that's what I had there before for the MR2. A little more stretched on the front. I'm going to put a little bit bigger tire on the front for sure. I also have this Civic front lip. It's a 2001 to 2003 Civic Mugen style lip. I put those little LED lights on the bottom. Then I have these pop-in eBay fog lights. They are also LED. Those are actually pretty cool. Still need to wire those in. I buffed and polished the headlights, as you guys can see, and I wrapped them with some paint protection film. I touched up the hood, all the rock chip spots. I mean, definitely you can see them right there. But you know, for now, it's all temporary. She's still a 10-20 footer. I did the funny looking windshield tint at the top there, the strip. But yeah, mainly the body. Side skirts are still coming. Some sort of side skirt splitter situation. Not sure yet. The rear end, bam, did a muffler delete with some dual 3-inch tips. Really like the way this car looks. Nice and meaty. You know, the fit is, I like the fit. Obviously the flares are still going to need to be adjusted, and they will be before the car gets painted and all that. But the fit is super nice. Nice and wide. Oh yeah, that's super nice. Oh, yeah, I like that. I think the exhaust tips look perfect on this car. They stick out a little bit further than I would like usually, but because I'm planning on doing the GLI lip, same thing on this side, obviously. Excuse the wind. I like it a lot. She's definitely changed. She looks way different than she did before. Hope you guys like it. It's not done yet. This is just the beginning. Even the front looks super nice. Nice and meaty. Nice and wide. I'm also going to be doing custom headlights soon. Might have new tail lights we're putting in. So I hope you guys like that little walk around tour. So for the Civic front lip, as you guys can see, it does not fit perfect. Obviously it needs it's from a different car, so but I figured, hey, I saw some guy do it on the Mark IV Facebook page, and I looked it up. It was like $30 lip. I was like, you know what, for 30 bucks I'm gonna give it a shot. I did some trimming, some fitting. I put some screws on the front, as you guys can see. I'll see if I can make it fit better, then we'll keep it, you know, when we paint the car. If not, I'll still get a GLI lip or some other sort of Mark IV Jetta lip, but for now I'm okay with that. Like I said, $30 lip. I don't even care if I hit it, scratch it, if it flies off, don't care. So far I haven't had any issues, so I'm gonna keep it for now. The flares, like you guys saw, the little gaps towards the car, it just needs to be adjusted and stuff like that. It needs to have the metal reshaped a little bit underneath so it attaches closer. Let's see, so that's the flares. The tire size, I like the meat in the back. I might do that in the front, but it all depends on rubbing and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw the back wheels on the front and drive it around, see how that fits and stuff, and then if they fit, cool, I'll order 2 more tires that size and throw them on. The muffler delete, yeah, I love the way that looks. Those dual 3-inch tips, man, they fit perfect. They fill in that hole perfect. The car sounds so nice. Let's see, what else? I mean, the car still runs decent. Still on those $150 eBay coilovers. No complaints yet. They run good. I don't expect them to last forever, but I really don't care. It's 150 bucks, who cares? I just wanted to go low because I hated the stock height. So yeah, but mechanically she's still good. I might need to do a few other things, but like I've said in my past videos with the Jetta, I'm not going to do mechanical stuff here on YouTube just because it's boring and people have seen it a million times. And then the interior, man, that's gonna be a huge transformation. I cannot wait. As you guys can see, my headliners, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, you can. Starting to sag. It's dirty, it's nasty, who cares? That's going to be way different, so I'm excited for that as well. Okay, I've been talking a lot, but I just wanted to explain everything, show everything. I'm not going to have links for anything that I bought. I'm sorry. Just go on eBay, search keywords. You know, that's how I find stuff. I search, and I search, and I search, and when I find something I like, I buy it, and that's it. So you guys find your own stuff, buy your own stuff. If you want to look like my car, whatever, just search fender flares, search wheels, search, you know, the fog lights, the lip, whatever. You got to do your own research. That's how you build a car that's different. You don't just follow the crew. You're not a sheep. So build your car your way, and that's what I'm doing. I know this is might not be everybody's style. Everybody, you know, all the purists and stuff don't like this kind of stuff, but I don't really care. My car, my money, my mods, so my choice. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Just a little update video. I know I've been doing a lot of talking, but you know, I want to show you guys. So yeah, you know, if you guys haven't yet, consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram again, right here. If you haven't yet, I post a lot of updates, usually at least 3-4 times a week, but sometimes more, sometimes less. I don't know, it just depends if anything gets done. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.